first video of class first year. The chapter is Animal Kingdom, and the Animal Kingdom, different types of animals found in environment and universe, and the two type on the cellular structure. Some organisms like unicellular and some multicellular, and the basis of nucleus present inside the nucleus, it's a eukaryotic, and absence of the nucleated cell is known as a prokaryotic. And the most important part of this chapter is difference between non-cardates and cardates. Non-cardates means boneless and organisms including in this topic, and the other, it's a cardate, means bony organisms including in this class. And in general way, non-cardate organisms is also known as invertebrates, and the cardate organism is also known as vertebrates. First point, in invertebrates, it's a very important part. Some organisms asymmetrical, radial symmetrical, or bilaterally symmetrical. Asymmetrical means the organisms like amoeba. Amoeba, it's an irregular shape structure and no any plane. Cut the right x-axis or y-axis, no any equal division of the part of body. It's asymmetrical in nature. And the radial symmetry in some organisms like a hydra and starfish means odd in numbers. The arms in odd in numbers like a 5 or 7 in numbers. It's in cross section. The cross section of organisms, then divided into equal parts. It's known as a radial symmetry. And the other bilateral symmetry, the cardate like a fish, and the fish, the body of fish cut the plane x-axis and the y-axis. It's equally divided into whole parts, right and left, up and down. Then it's known as a bilateral symmetrical organism. And the other point is non-segmented are false or true metamerically segmented body. In invertebrates, non-segmented, mostly organisms in invertebrates, it's non-segmented. But in rare case, earthworm and earthworm, it's a segmented body, and the segments, it's not a true, because it's a earthworm body, it's a longitudinal body and divided into 150 segments, 100 to 150 or 130 segments. And the earthworm, the like a segments, it's a bowl-like arrangement inside the body. Understand? This type of segment is known as metamerically segmented body. And some organisms like a totally divide one segment and another segments, totally divide. But in earthworm, it's not easily divided because it's internally related. One bowl arranged, it's a linear way, it's a bowl-like structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like this. And in case of cardate, the true metamerically segmented body, totally division of a metathorax region, like a prothorax, metathorax, and pro, meso, and meta, 3 segmented body and easily divided. And the other point is a cellular diploblastic Triploblastic are animals having protoplasmic to organ system grade of body organization. You know the organisms on the basis of cell. Firstly, cellular organism, some cellular organism like amoeba, and the other like tissue organization level are cellular organization level, tissue organization level, and organ system means advanced organisms including organ system like organization level found. And the cellular diploblastic means two-layered structure. Ectoderm and mesoderm only present. Sorry, ectoderm and endoderm found in diploblastic in condition. But in triploblastic, it's a three-layered structure like this. Outer layer, ectodermal layer, ectodermis, mesodermal layer, middle layer, and the endodermal layer inside, inner layer. Means outer layer, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. And combined the three layers, it's also known as a triploblastic animals. Having protoplasmic of organ system, grade of body organization. In the advanced organisms, chordates, like fishes, frogs, mammals, and reptiles, it's all organisms including triploblastic condition because three layers present inside the embryonic developmental stage: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Having organ system, grade body organization. Understand? And the next point is the posterior anal tail is not found. No any type of tail found in invertebrates. And in chordates, it is usually present in posterior region. Parts of posterior part containing a caudal or an anal tail. In case of fish, it's a tail, anal tail. And the next point, notochord are a vertebral column not found. You know the in vertebrates organisms, it's a very delicate and flexible body. No any type of hard skeleton system found inside. It's a notochord or vertebral column totally absent in invertebrates. But in chordates, notochord major role of notochord. It's attached to the brain and present at the some stage. In some organisms containing in larval stage, bony condition, and some organisms in birth to death, totally present inside the body in starting to ending phase, and in some organisms replaced, in some stages present and other stage absent in the body. By a backbone like structure formed by the notochord or a ring-like vertebrae forming the vertebral column. Vertebral column किससे बनता है? Presence of vertebrae. Vertebrae arranged in a linear way and the whole body set on the backbone of the body, then stretching and straight way standing the organism in every pair. Number 6. Gill slits absent in invertebrates and present in chordates. Gill slits, it's a respiratory organ found inside the upper column. You know, like fish, and the back side of the mouth. Then a covered structure is known as upper flap-like structure, cartilaginous flap-like structure is known as operculum, and inside the operculum placed a ring-like structure like this. It's known as a gill. It's a respiratory organ. And the next point is alimentary canal placed always dorsal side of the nerve cord. In invertebrates, alimentary canal placed the dorsal side, and in case of chordates, alimentary canal placed always ventral side of the nerve cord. Ventral side and lower side and backward side. And next point is acoelomate, pseudocoelomate are true coelomate animals. Acoelomate including platyhelminthes, and platyhelminthes, the outer layer ectoderm, and endo layer liquid filled region is known as mesodermal region. And the other pseudocoelomate, the organism including pseudocoelomate ascaris, ascaliminthes, and the outer layer ectoderm, mesoderm is scattered in form, and the endoderm centrally placed region. And the true coelomate organisms like annelids, ascaris, earthworm. Annelids, the example of annelids is earthworm, mollusca, the phyla are Unio or octopus, including mollusk, arthropods, it's the largest animal kingdom, including all insects, and crabs, prawn, etc. And the echinodermata, like a starfish, like organisms including echinoderms. And the phylum of four, like annelids, mollusks, arthropods, and echinodermates, and all chordates are coelomatic conditions, are coelomatic organisms. Like the gut totally well developed inside the body, like outer is an ectoderm, mesoderm inside, and the endoderm inside. Middle is an mesoderm. And next point, the heart is placed dorsally. In invertebrates, blood flows towards anterior direction in dorsal blood vessels. Dorsal blood vessels में जो blood flow करता है वो anterior direction में करता है और heart dorsally placed होता है in invertebrates. But in case of vertebrates, heart is placed ventrally. Main difference, like chordates ventrally placed heart, and the invertebrates dorsally placed heart. And the flow, blood flow, the direction towards posterior direction, like this. Anterior direction blood flow in invertebrates, and in chordates the posterior direction blood flow, posterior direction in dorsal blood vessels. And next point, hemoglobin absent are found in dissolved in plasma, RBC not found. You know, like insect in cockroach, the body dissect inside the cockroach in the fat bodies, creamish in color, and blood containing copper are a hemocyanin. It's also known as hemocyanin. Copper containing hemoglobin present in insects are invertebrates body. No RBC present and red in color. And in chordates, the hemoglobin are a respiratory pigment. Most important role of hemoglobin, it's a red in color and respiratory pigment, because red color, presence of RBC and absence of RBC in invertebrates. And the other last point is a hepatic portal system absent in invertebrates and hepatic portal system present in chordates. Hepatic portal system means the blood circulatory system a different type of circulation related to liver to lower limbs. It's not found in, no any type of liver found in invertebrates organism, and the present in cardiacs like a liver system, the blood flow, lower limbs, it's a hepatic portal system,